you're looking for the ultimate compact tractor, check out the Branson 2400 hydrostatic unit. At 24 horsepower, this tractor is best suited for hobby farms, vineyards, or other smaller acreage operations. The 2400H is a versatile unit as it comes with the option to add a backhoe attachment, belly mower, snow blower, as well as various tire options. The 2400H is four-wheel drive with a dry single clutch. Additionally, it comes with a vertical four-cylinder water-cooled diesel engine. On this particular unit, the transmission is hydrostatic. However, Branson offers a manual 2400 tractor as well. As mentioned, a backhoe attachment adds a ton of versatility to this tractor. The backhoe on this unit is the BH66. The BH66 has a digging depth of 78 inches and has the ability to rotate a full 180 degrees. Although the BH66 perfectly complements the 2400H, this backhoe is compatible with most tractors in the 15 to 30 horsepower range. Overall, the 2400H is a great all-around tractor that would complete any smaller scale operation. To learn more, call us at 979-822-6800.